Hey everyone, this is Chris over at AceVacuums, again here in Fairfax, Virginia. So we get a lot of keyword searches for like vacuum dealer near me and different things like that. So if you're looking for an exact vacuum dealer, whether it be Miele, Riccar, Simplicity, Dyson, Ork, Eureka, Bissell, whatever the case is, try to be a little bit more specific in what your searches are. We do carry and are dealers for a lot of different brands that I already just mentioned here, as well as a few other ones like Shark. So we do have the ability to get majority of all those different types of brands, from Dyson and Bissell's to Shark to Miele to Simplicity to Titan. Pretty much on everything out there we can pretty much get. There's a lot of like robotic vacuums and stuff that's a little bit hard, but just when you're searching those dealers, looking for a dealer, make sure you type in a specific kind of dealer, and then we have everything here from Loudoun and Fairfax counties and the surrounding areas. Plenty of parking, so stop by and check out what we got. Thanks, guys.